All right, what's going, guys? Jeff here, back again with another video. I've been looking at the market every single day, as you guys have already known. But the thing is that I realized something quite crucial, which is that the market has been trending sideways for a very, very long time. So over here, you can look over on this screen. This is basically just some of the stocks that I'm basically looking at. So over here, you see Coinbase, basically sideways trading, QuantumScape, basically sideways trading, Palantir, ChargePoint, Peloton a little bit. Peloton and Robinhood, I'll leave it for another one. Neo, you can see that it's just sideways trending. SoFi, literally a proper sideways trending. You can see an up, a down, and up and down, and up and down. It's very, very constant. So the thing is that for Peloton, well, I think it's because of the whole change in sudden earning report, very bad earning report. We are getting back into a recovery sort of market. People don't really feel that Peloton is such a good stock to hold. People are really cracking down on the fundamentals and thinking that Peloton is not that good of a company. However, I still believe in Peloton to a certain extent, which is why I still hold about 200 shares in Peloton right now, which is about, I would like to say 10%, 8% of my holdings at the moment. But yeah, the second one, which would be Robinhood. So over here, Robinhood, I feel that a little bit sad because Robinhood hasn't really found its floor yet. And that's the most concerning part. Because Robinhood right now, just today, we actually hit $16.68. Let's just put it at 16.50. Robinhood hit 16.50 earlier today, and we have not really found a floor yet. Okay, and I will be making a separate video for Robinhood, completely different, because the things that I really want to talk about Robinhood. I think Robinhood is a very, very, very good company, but simply because people don't really like Robinhood as a company, especially with the entire GameStop saga that happened back in January, I would like to say. So yeah, I think Robinhood is really a good company, but I feel that because not a lot of people like it, so people don't really buy into the company. But yeah, Robinhood has been bleeding like crazy. Right now it's doing $17, which is like almost 2% down. Went all the way down to 16.68 earlier today. So horrible. But the most important trend that I'm looking at via this entire thing. So for example, let me just take, like, let's say Etsy. Okay, so same thing, kind of doing a little bit of sideways trading, but a little bit going upwards. Even though the lowest point here was like 153, right now it's at 220. Kind of sideways trading. Let's take Lucid for example. Lucid is a little bit different because I think Lucid, Rivian, Tesla, all these EV companies, they are a lot more growth-esque. So people don't really put them into the same category, such as like your SoFi, your Palantir, the Coinbase. Let's see. What about Mara, Marathon Digital, Mara? Yeah, same thing. Okay, for Mara, because the thing is that for Marathon, since they are a Bitcoin mining company, a lot of time they kind of mimic the Bitcoin trend. So over here, you can basically see an $83 high for Marathon. Basically, that was when Bitcoin was at 69,000, and then afterwards, then Bitcoin kind of went for a slump, went for a crypto winter. If you do want to watch a video about crypto winter, I'll link it somewhere up here, all the way to the corner somewhere. But yeah, because of that, I think Marathon basically is trending that way as well. Let's look at Snapchat, a big position of mine. Same thing, trending sideways completely. Just take the start of the year. We're at about $52. Right now we're at $47. Sideways trading completely throughout. Of course, over here there was a big drop that was due to the whole Apple privacy situation, which I'll also be making a separate video about for Snapchat wise. But yeah, basically the market is just trending sideways completely. So a video by Meet Kevin actually made me realize the fact that the reason why a lot of us are actually seeing so many sideways trading is actually due to the market cap. So over here, if you look at from the if we sort it out from the top market cap, which is your Apple, your Microsoft, your Alphabet, your Amazon, your Tesla, and so on, these are in the $1 trillion market cap. all of them basically are not really trending sideways. They are basically kind of up. So over here you can see Microsoft kind of up, Apple kind of up. Okay, let's look at Alphabet, kind of up. If we look at Amazon, okay, sad to say, Amazon is not exactly kind of up. Amazon is kind of sideways trading. But yeah, if you actually look at the smaller caps company, that's where you actually see the real blood. So let's just take anywhere below $20 billion in market cap. So let's just say from 19 billion. Let's take Royal Caribbean, a recovery stock. Sideways trending. They are either sideways trending or they are going to be trending downwards, which is the worst part. Sideways trending for plug power. Robinhood, we've seen that already. So far, we've seen that already. American Air, same thing for a recovery, sideways trending. Yeah, sideways trending as I expected. RH, this is Restoration Hardware, same, sideways trending, even trending downwards a little bit. So yeah, Win Resort, Tencent Music. I don't want to open Tencent Music simply because that's the whole Chinese company-esque, which is why you will see a huge downtrend. Basically, yeah, this entire downtrend, very, very possible. I think they haven't even found a proper floor yet, so there's a huge possibility that Tencent Music will keep on going down as well. Win Resort, same thing, recovery. Yeah, so going down. But yeah, basically all the market cap that is kind of below 20 billion and onwards basically are just suffering in the market, sideways trading, and also bleeding out with bearish indicator of them actually going down. And this is us actually talking about in the $1 billion market cap. You actually look into the $1 million market cap. That's where you actually see the actual blood. So let's for example, let's take Microvision. Let's just open this up so you can actually see Microvision. Basically, hold on, this is Coinbase. That's not it. Hold on. Microvision. Yeah, blood in the market all the way going down. Let's see, Root, an insurance company, blood in the market. If it's under $1 billion, basically you're gonna get destroyed in this market, especially. Even for myself, I hold Root as well, so I kind of understand that part. Let's look at Vuzi, a company I actually was into, and I actually got out. Yeah, I got it at 21. I sold at 32. If I'm not mistaken, I sold it at the top, and I stopped touching it completely. And now it's $8. It's kind of crazy. Let's see, Build-A-Bear. Yeah, I remember Build-A-Bear. Yeah, at $20. It is kind of going up. It's kind of doing like some sort of an uptrend, but this is also a momentum stock, so do take note. Right now, it's not exactly at the bottom per se, but kind of still the same. Over here, if I were to do the whole rectangle, you can still see sideways trading, basically. So yeah, let's take the last one, for example. Let's see. Let's take, I don't know. There's nothing super interesting to take here. All these do not really have any more market cap. Let's take Proface. I actually invested in them before. Sideways trend. Literally just sideways trending. So the thing about this market at the moment that we all kind of understood is that the market is basically going through this very weird slump. And because of this weird slump in the market, we do not exactly know where all this money is going to be pumping towards. We don't really have the same drive as we did back in the January or December of 2020, where we actually had so much money pumping into the system, all the stimulus checks coming into the system as well, people just heavily investing into the companies in the stocks market continuously. And because of that, right now, all of those are kind of gone, and you really see a lot of these companies not really doing so well, which is why at the end of the day, what people basically do is that people just get into the index funds, people get into the bigger cap stocks, people get into the Apple, the Microsoft, the Meta platforms, the Tesla, the Alphabet, maybe not the Amazon, since Amazon is trending sideways, but you can see that all the big caps are doing very, very well, which is why people always say, the rich get richer, for good reasons. And basically you can see all the companies that are kind of on the lower market cap. All of them are basically just struggling to get by. And of course, for people like us who are actually invested in this, the lower, smaller caps company as well, we're definitely getting the pain in the market. Like even just today, my trading portfolio, I'm down about 6.4%. Just my trading portfolio. My long hold portfolio, I didn't even open my app to check my long hold portfolio. But yeah, basically the market is just terrible. And I have a feeling that it's gonna continue for quite some time. A lot of us were expecting this Christmas Day rally, the Santa Claus rally, whatever it is. We expected that to happen, but of course, clearly it did not exactly happen. But yeah, until we actually see more bullish indicator that goes on in the market, only then would I be more bullish on buying stocks and such. But right now, basically, I'm just trading options. I'm selling puts, I'm buying puts, I'm selling calls, I'm buying calls. But most of the time, I'm actually buying and selling puts, because I see that this market is going down all the way. So I'm buying puts on stocks like your Rivian. I'm buying puts on Ford. I'm buying puts on Peloton, even though I do have Peloton. It's just a kind of way for me to kind of hedge my position a little bit. If it does go down a little bit more, so be it. I'll just earn a little bit of side money by trading options. I am also selling puts, of course, in position that I'm very, very interested in to getting more of, such as your Robinhood, your Snapchat, your Palantir, all these stocks I'm actually selling puts on. I wouldn't mind buying into all this. But of course, I'm also getting a little bit tired of constantly selling puts, because the thing is that I'm actually being held collateral for my cash as well. So a lot of time I actually want to get out of this position so that I can actually get into more controversial stance, or well, a more speculative bets, such as like buying puts on various stocks that I think will go to zero. But yeah, right now this market is just horrible, and it's very, very hard for people to really trade this market. I feel that a lot of people will probably get hurt in this market as well. So yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this sort of video. Of course, this is slightly longer than usual since I'm already starting to post shorter content. But yeah, anyway, if you guys do enjoy this kind of content, please drop me a like, and also do follow me down here. Over here, this is my tag, my handle for my Instagram. I will be posting daily news from January. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.